We're here at Collegetown Plaza to see studio apartment 3L. Before we go in, I wanted to show you the position of the apartment on this floor. You can see some studio doors on the right. There are 5 studios on this floor and every floor. And on this floor 3, we have come down 1 floor from the main lobby level, and there are just 2 additional apartments besides the studios at the end of the hall, a pair of larger apartments. The elevator is in the middle of the hallway. A little farther down on the left is the trash and recycle center for the building, and directly across from the apartment here is one of the stairwells. This is a nice feature that you can just zip down to the apartment very quickly from that lobby level stairs. And again, you always will have the elevator to use here in the building as well. So let's go on in. So again, we've come down 1 floor from the lobby level on the 4th floor on the Dryden Road side, but we're on the west side of the building, which is the lower side of the building. As we come in, you can see the kitchen will always be the same. Refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove, oven. We'll get into the main apartment in a sec. Let's check out the bathroom first. Over here on our left is the bathroom. Same as we've seen elsewhere, where you have the standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there is a cabinet as well on the wall. Let's go into the room. So remember, we've come down a flight of stairs. We are still above ground and it is still very bright. Look at the nice patch of sun coming in. It's late afternoon here, so it's nice and bright. This is a west-facing apartment, as all the studios are here in the building. And we have always the same furniture: the dining table and chair, the desk and chair, the dresser, the full-size bed, and the bookshelf. And there's always a closet. And you can see the closet over there. So let's take a look out the window. As we go on over, on floors 2 through 6, the air conditioners will be mounted in one of the windows, so that window is fixed, and the window on the other side opens. It will vary from unit to unit as to which side the air conditioner is on. So again, we're on floor 3. We've come down a level, but you can see we're still above ground. We still get some nice sky, some nice bright open sky here. And again, it's very bright, especially in the afternoon. We're facing to the west. That's to the south over that way. So that's a look at apartment 3L. We're over the driveway here. So the driveway to the parking lot behind the building goes past the studios on this west side of the building. And we're in Collegetown Plaza, apartment 3L. This is a studio for 1 person. The building is located at 111 Dryden Road. You can see more of how the building fits together with the landscape of the neighborhood if you watch one of the Collegetown Plaza overview videos. And we are located just 1 block from campus here in central Collegetown.